Look, if you clicked on this video, it's because deep down, you know 2026 could be your year. You're tired of watching everyone else win while you're stuck in the same place. You're scrolling through social media, seeing people younger than you, living the life you want, and you're wondering what they've figured out that you haven't. I built a consulting business in my early 20s that generates thousands of dollars a day in profit, not revenue, profit. Here's the thing most people don't want to hear. 2026 isn't going to magically fix your life. The new year isn't going to suddenly make you more disciplined, motivated, or successful. In fact, most people right now gave up on their resolutions already. You know how many people are going to be watching this video right now thinking, yeah, 2026 is going to be my year, who said the exact same thing about 2025, 2024, 2023? Probably most people. And you know what happened? Nothing. Because you waited for permission that never came. You waited for the perfect moment. You waited until you felt ready. And while you were waiting, another entire year passed you by. So the first thing you need to understand is that getting rich in 2026 starts with a decision you make today. Not a wish, not a hope, a decision. You need to look yourself in the mirror and decide that no matter what happens, no matter how hard it gets, no matter how many times you fail, you're gonna figure this out. Because rich people aren't rich because they got lucky or because they're smarter than you. They're rich because they decided they were gonna be rich and then they refused to quit until they were. That's it. So stop waiting for some external force to change your life and make the decision right now that you're done being broke. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, here's what comes after that decision. You need to become completely obsessed with learning high-income skills. And I'm not talking about going back to school for 4 years and getting some overpriced degree that might get you a slightly better job. I'm talking about skills that directly generate cash. Can you write copy that makes people buy? Can you run ads that actually convert? Can you build sales funnels? Can you close deals on sales calls? Can you edit videos that keep people watching? Can you manage social media accounts and actually grow them? These are the kinds of skills that are going to make you rich in 2026. Not a college degree, not a certification, not some self-help book you bought and never even opened. Actual skills that you practice every single day until you're so good, people have no choice but to pay you and a high price. Because here's the thing, the market doesn't care about your education, your degrees, your background, or even your story sometimes. The market cares about results. If you can deliver results, you can charge a high price. If you can't, you're gonna stay broke. So pick one skill, just one, and spend the next 90 days becoming dangerous at it. Watch every free video you can find, read every book on the topic, practice it every single day. Offer to do it for cheap or even free at first, just to get the reps in. And by March, you should be good enough to start charging real money. That's how you get rich. Not by talking about it or planning about it endlessly, by actually developing high-value skills that the market rewards. Now let's talk about something that's gonna make you uncomfortable. You need to stop consuming and start creating. Do you know what broke people do all day? They consume. They watch Netflix. They scroll TikTok. They watch YouTube videos. They play video games. They're constantly taking in content that other people created. And you know what rich people do? They create. They build businesses. They make content. They solve problems. They add value to the world. And I know what you're thinking. But I need to learn first. I need to consume educational content. Sure, spend an hour learning. Nothing wrong with that. You should be learning every day. But then spend at least 2 hours applying what you learned. Because knowledge without execution is not power. It's worthless. You could watch every business video on YouTube and still be broke if you never actually start or build a business. So here's what you're going to do starting today. For every hour you spend consuming content, you need to spend at least 2 hours creating, building, producing. This could be reaching out to potential clients on social media or doing cold email, sending Loom videos, making content or writing sales copy, running ads. Whatever it is, you need to be creating with your time. Because the only way you're going to be rich in 2026 is if you build something that generates income. And you can't build anything if all you do is consume. Here's another truth that's going to sting. Your environment and your circle are destroying your chances of getting rich. You can't hang around broke people with broke mindsets and expect to become wealthy. It doesn't work like that. If everyone around you is comfortable being average, if everyone around you thinks working a 9 to 5 until you're 65 is normal, if everyone around you makes fun of ambition and calls it unrealistic, then you need new people around you. And I'm not saying you have to be rude or cut people off for no reason. I'm saying that as you grow, as you level up, some people aren't going to grow with you, and that's okay. You need to be in rooms with people who are already where you want to be. You need to be around people who are making the kind of money you want to make. You need to be in environments where your goals aren't seen as crazy but as normal, because your environment shapes your standards. If everyone around you is making 30,000 a year, making 100,000 sounds impossible. But if you're around people making $500,000 a year, 100,000 seems like you're just getting started. So audit your social circle right now. Who are you spending the most time with? Are they pushing you forward or holding you back? Are they building businesses or complaining about their boss? Are they investing in themselves or wasting money on things that don't matter? And based on that audit, you need to make some changes. Join communities of entrepreneurs. Go to networking events. Join courses and groups with people who are actually doing what you want to do. Your circle determines your income. So if you want to be rich in 2026, you need to be around wealthier people. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now let's talk about leverage and scalability, because this is what actually separates rich people from people who just make decent money. If you're trading your time directly for money, you're capped. There's only so many hours in a day. Even if you charge $200 an hour, you can only make so much before you run out of time. Rich people understand leverage. They build systems. They use technology, AI. They hire people. They create products that can be sold unlimited times even while they're asleep. They build businesses that generate income whether they're working or not. So if you want to be rich in 2026, you can't just think about making money. You need to think about how you're going to make money at scale. Can you take the service you offer and turn it into a course or a template? Can you build a team that delivers the service while you focus on getting more clients? Can you create content that attracts customers automatically even while you're asleep? Can you build software or a product that people buy without you being involved in every transaction? This is how you go from making $5,000 a month to $50,000 a month, even $500,000 a month, not by working 10 times harder, but by building leverage. So yes, start with services or one-on-one coaching. Yes, trade your time for money at first, but always be thinking about how you're going to scale this. How you're going to build something that doesn't require you to be involved in every aspect of the business. That's the only way you're going to get actually rich. Now, here's the part that most people don't want to hear but need to hear. You're going to have to develop an unreasonable work ethic in the beginning. Everyone wants results. Everyone wants the lifestyle. Everyone wants to be rich. But nobody wants to talk about the year or years of absolute grind that it takes to get there. You're going to have to work harder than everyone else around you. You're going to have to sacrifice your nights and your weekends. You're gonna have to say no to going out because you need to work on your business. You're gonna have to wake up earlier and go to sleep later. You're gonna have to do things that you're not used to doing, and they will feel uncomfortable and scary. And most people aren't willing to do that. Most people want the shortcut. They want the 4-hour work week before they've ever put in the 400-hour months. They want the passive income before they've done the active work. And that's why most people stay broke, because they're not willing to do what it takes. So if you want to be rich in 2026, you need to accept right now that the first year is going to be brutal. It's going to test you. You're going to want to quit. You're going to have moments where you think you made a mistake. And that's exactly when you need to push harder. Because everyone feels that way. The difference between you and everyone else who stays broke is that you're going to keep going anyway. You're going to outwork everyone. You're going to be so relentless that success has no choice but to find you. That is what separates the rich self-made from the poor. Not talent, not luck, not circumstances. Just pure, unreasonable commitment to making it happen no matter what. Look, I'm gonna be real with you. Most people watching this video right now, they won't do anything with this information. They'll feel motivated for a few minutes, maybe they'll take a few notes, and then by tomorrow, they'll be right back to their old habits. They'll be scrolling social media, watching Netflix, playing video games, forgetting all about their dreams. They'll tell themselves they'll start next Monday, and 2026 will go by just like 2025 did. And on January 1st of 2027, they will be in the exact same position, wondering why nothing ever changes. But for those who are actually serious, for those who are tired of being broke and are willing to do whatever it takes, 2026 can absolutely be the year everything changes for you. Everything I told you just works. I know it works because I've lived it, and I've helped hundreds of people as well. but it only works if you actually do it. Your future isn't created by watching videos or making plans or setting intentions. Your future is created by the actions you take every single day. So what's it gonna be? Are you going to close this video and go back to wasting time? Or are you gonna make the decision right now that 2026 is the year everything changes? The choice is yours.